Our first and only portage, what is it? $28.95 into Louisa. Here in the background talking. Just made it at the end of the portage. What did that take us, like 40 minutes? 40 minutes. We took a bunch of breaks. Feels good. Shoulders are killing.
Yeah. First time back out.
Well, look at that headwind.
Yeah. Little white cappy. We'll make it work.
Let's do this.
Go team.
All right, go team. So we made it to the site. It was pretty windy the whole way through. We've just been chilling down here for a little bit. I'll give you a little bit of a site tour. Adam's digging through the food barrel. Nice little setup. I think they're at the bottom.
Yeah, I found one.
Adam's hammock setup and also slash bug net slash rain shelter. And then I am over here in my not as fancy hammock over here. It's a really nice site. We were just sitting out in the sun for a while. It's really, really nice out there. The wind is just a little bit too much right now, so we're just hanging out for the afternoon. Might do some fishing in a bit.
Working with the wind, okay? Give me a break.
You're doing good, babe. Oh boy, it's windy.
It's so windy. So windy.
Here is served steak and potatoes. Nice. I put Caesar salad on mine.
So good.
Breakfast. You better have one.
Yeah, I've got one. It's not big. Or he's swimming too.
Hey!
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. You got it.
There we have it. What do you want to call it? Put him back, or you want to lunch?
You think he's big enough for lunch?
I think he's
Let's put it back. Or he's bleeding pretty good.
He's fucked. He's killed.
Yeah, okay.
He's killed up.
Way to go.
Way to go. That didn't take long, eh?
No.
There's lots of line.
Yeah, let some more out.
That's good. Perfect.
Cool. So I didn't record in the boat because I was trying to reel in at the same time, but I caught my first Algonquin trout on Louisa ever in Algonquin. Very happy. So Adam's just playing them up.
Censored.
We're gonna have a nice dinner and very happy I caught my first trout. Yay! You ready?
Born ready.
All right, it's gonna be a wet one. Let's go. Hi, sight. That was a nice one. I liked how in close proximity it was to our fishing spot.
Yeah. On the road again.
Yeah.
Was that our only fruit from my fishing rod this time?
Yeah.
Wow.
We did really good with fruit throw.